much does a ton of topsoil cover? Calculating how much topsoil do you need, it depends something creating a problem for gardener and landscaper who want to know about how much does a ton of topsoil cover. Topsoil used for many purposes like garden, landscaping project, creating or labeling lawn, to fill irrigation, raising flower bed, or laying a new turf, football or cricket pitch. Some of tasks will require only a small amount of topsoil, while but other jobs you need a lot of topsoil. How much does a cubic meter of soil weigh? As you know that 1 cubic meter of moderately damp soil will weigh about 1.3 to 1.7 tons. When we convert in kilogram, that is 1300 kg to 1700 kg when dug. It's called on average about 1500 kg. The recommended depth of topsoil for creating lawns or seed is about 100 mm to 150 mm. For general gardening, 150 mm to 200 mm of soft topsoil is usually sufficient for most planting. To calculate yields of 1 ton of topsoil in cubic meter, you divide the weight of 1 ton of topsoil such that 100 kg by weight of 1 cubic meter of topsoil such that 1500 kilogram, that is 1000 divided by 1500, it will comes 0.67 cubic meter. Thus on average 1 ton of topsoil yields around 0.67 cubic meter. Now we calculate coverage of 1 ton of topsoil at depth of 150 mm. It's calculated in steps. First step is thickness of topsoil in meter. 150 mm divided by 1000, it will comes 0.15 meter. Coverage of 1 ton of topsoil in square meter. 0.67 cubic meter is divided by depth of soil, that is 0.15 meter, it will comes 4.5 square meter. Thus 1 ton of topsoil will cover approximately 4.5 square meter, that is equal to 48 square feet at 150 mm thickness. Thank you.